one of you, that's right, one of you people in my best sales voice is going to be selected to join me at this year's Shambhala Festival. Yay! For those of you who don't know, Shambhala is kind of like Canada's version of Burning Man. It is this huge, massive festival in British Columbia where all walks of life congregate into just a pile of steaming, stinking bodies. I mean, no, it's not that bad. There's a beautiful river that you can swim in, but it's basically where you go if you want to be completely accepted for whatever the hell you like to do. I mean, whatever your substance of choice is, they're going to accept you at Shambhala. Whatever your sexual preferences are, they're going to accept you. Whether you want to wear clothes, go naked, somewhere in between, you can do whatever the heck you want there, within reason. Now, unfortunately, or fortunately for you guys, this year I have had the worst planning ever, and I need a cameraman. That means I'm reaching out to you guys, my actual audience, about 4 days before the festival begins. This is insanely last minute, looking for a cameraman. Now, this is a paid gig. You are not only gonna be my cameraman, you're gonna get paid for it, you're gonna get to hang out with my grumpy ass, and you're going to have an artist pass. That means you get access to the artist lounge. If you're lucky, you might meet the people who are playing there. Last year, I think they had Deadmau5 under some alias. I don't know, there's probably some big artists. I don't even know who's playing. I go for the community, not really the music. Especially those of you who have video experience, or those of you who are kind of like, I guess, aspiring YouTube channel creators, or anyone watching who is a YouTube channel creator. This is a great opportunity for collaboration. Mind you, you are gonna spend the majority of your time on the camera filming me. Easiest job in the world. We set up a camera, usually on a tripod, hit record, then someone has a handheld and they kind of get a shot behind me, and you just film me as I interview myriad of festival guests on myriad of festival compounds. Basically, we film for 3 days straight, you get your meals covered, you're gonna get paid. Obviously, you get a free pass to the festival too, so yeah, I mean, this is a win-win. And of course, you can hang out with me. Who wouldn't want to hang out with me? I would hate to hang out with myself, okay? I have to hang out with myself every day. Give me a break. Welcome to what I use the drugs for. No, I'm just kidding, but I'm not kidding. Anyway. I'm being really silly right now. Also, I want to give you guys, the audience, a chance to create this year's Shambhala video. It gets so tiring always going up to people being like, hey, what substances are you on? Oh, I'm high on acid. I'm on Molly. You know, you name it, they're on it. I interview them. They act silly. It makes a haha silly video. Let's do something different. You guys, leave a comment below and let me know what you would like to see from this video. Last year, there was a lot of suggestions for doing a vlog style, like where I vlog the entire journey. Which if I have the right cameraman, great, you can vlog me too. We'll just keep adding more tasks to your job. Let's make it harder and harder. The caveat here is it's insanely short notice. You have to be on a plane either the 24th or the 23rd. And what is it, the 20th today? You basically got to get your ass on a plane no later than the 24th, early in the morning, and fly, the festival's in BC, and fly to British Columbia, Canada. Craziest thing I've ever done. I've never reached out to my audience to find an actual cameraman, but the cameraman that I had planned kind of slipped through, and now I'm like left, what the heck do I do? Why not make the best of the situation and make it exciting? It also adds, if you would like to be filmed as well, maybe we could do vlog style of your experience filming me. Who knows? I'm up to ideas. I want someone that we can bounce some ideas off of, somebody that I have good rapport with. So preferably somebody who, you know, has some good social skills, preferably someone who has some good filming experience. Anyway, send me an email to this email address. Show me your work. You got to know how to use a camera. We're just using, you know, DSLRs. I can't even remember the name of mine. It's a Sony A7 III's. I don't know. I haven't bought a new camera in ages. Yeah, we're not using any high-tech fancy stuff. Just, you know, regular shit that YouTube people use. Also, before I forget, we finally have new stock of all of our items. The store is stocked full. We have the purple and black onesie. Also, we have the purple and black, pink and purple. It's pink and black hooded trip blanket. We have the regular white mushroom one. There's also a version of this onesie and blanket that has identifications of the mushrooms on it. So if you're like mushroom hunting, you could be like, what's that? Oh, it looks like the cubes on my hooded trip blanket or onesie. Yes, that's what I'm looking at. And there's this version that has no names. Anyway, there's a onesie version and a hooded trip blanket version of either of them. There's a few other items that you can pick up at the store. These are obviously insanely soft. That's kind of a selling feature. I spent a year designing these, and that's not me BSing. We went back and forth for ages to get just the right material, just the right softness, because how it felt on your body was key, because everyone knows, well, at least I know that, especially when you're on psychedelics, or even things like M, your skin gets hypersensitive, and I felt like wearing clothes makes me an alien. Like I am designed to be naked. So in that state, if you're gonna wear something, it's gotta be hyper soft. So expect this shit to be really nice to the touch. Head on over to psychsubstance.shop to pick up some of that. And yeah, send me an email if you want to be part of this Shambhala video. I'll disclose more details over email once I get a good vibe for you. Hopefully I can start replying to those emails right now. I'm filming this video Saturday morning. I'm going to post this right away. There's not going to be much editing here because we got to get moving. I got to find a cameraman and let's make this the best Shambhala ever. Look forward to meeting you. Yes, you. In my creepiest voice. Just add a few more winks there. Yeah, I'm in a goofy mood this morning. Cheers, guys. And I just realized I completely forgot to turn this mic on, so that was pointless.